In this video, you will learn how to track your Cash App card. First, open your Cash App and launch the app on your device. Then, go to the Cash Card section, tap on Banking or Balance icon in the bottom of the screen. Then select Cash Card from the menu. This will take you to the settings of your Cash App card. If you're trying to track the location of your Cash App card in real time, if you have misplaced it, Cash App does not offer a direct tracking feature like some other banks. However, you can turn off your Cash App temporary card for security reasons by selecting Disable Cash App Card. This option is in the app, preventing any unauthorized transactions. Then, check for transactions. In the Cash App card section, you will see the most recent transaction on your Cash App card. This will help you track any spending activities. Order a replacement. If you have lost your Cash App card and need to get a replacement, you can do that directly from the Cash App card selection in the app. Just tap on Get a New Card Now to order a replacement card to your address. If you suspect fraud or are unable to track your card, you can always contact Cash App support. You can do this by going to the profile, then clicking support, then clicking something else, and then on card issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.